Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to just talk to you, it's a guidance more than anything, but if you've got the EGR fault P241300, it's to do with the EGR. It gets heavily clogged up on this 2-litre diesel. It's a Volvo XC60 2015, and the EGR is located here, guys. So it's a bit of a, what you'll have to do is get rid of these. It's just the back here there. It's quite a decent plate to get to, but once you've taken it off, guys, it's a case of just cleaning it, and then hopefully that should cure it. But you have to clean it and make sure the sensors are all working and no issues. So there's a few ways around it. Obviously you can take it off, clean it as it is, or you can have it also mapped, get a remap done, but this way it's probably going to cause a bit more trouble, you know, with DPF clogging up and whatnot. But the reality is that's where it is, guys. It's a bit of a ball ache to get to, but once you do, clean it and then kind put it more back, or less done. Be a full scan and clear and reset the adaptions, and you can't